How to cook the juiciest steak on a stovetop. Ingredients: 1 or 2 steaks ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil or vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, to 2-3 garlic cloves, smashed. Fresh rosemary or thyme optional. Instructions: 1. Choose the right steak. Pick a steak about 1 to 1.5 inches thick for best results. 2. Season generously. Pat the steak dry with paper towels. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Let it sit at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes before cooking. 3. Heat the pan. Use a heavy skillet. Cast iron is ideal, and heat it over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Add the oil and let it heat until shimmering. 4. Sear the steak. Place the steak in the pan and let it sear undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the steak and sear the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. 5. Add butter and aromatics. Lower the heat to medium. Add butter, garlic, and fresh herbs if using to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to baste the steak with the melted butter and aromatics for added flavor. 6. Check doneness. Use an instant-read thermometer to check the internal temperature. Rare: 120-125 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium rare: 130-135 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium: 140 well 150-155 degrees Fahrenheit. Rest the steak. Remove the steak from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute. 8. Serve. Slice against the grain for maximum tenderness and serve with your favorite sides.